Slow it down. That's all that means. Don't try to keep up with the buddy up in front. This is a sharp turn. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it. Oh, no. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it. Oh, no. I hate it when a passenger is involved in a crash. I hate it. Because the passenger has no control. Absolute trust in the rider to do what they're supposed to do. Don't hurt your buddies. Don't hurt your significant other. You saw that too, Kenneth, huh? He put his foot down. All right, so right here, we are out of the sun into the shade. This is the first corner. We see some problems happening. This person's going to go a little wide. Now, what causes motorcycle riders to go wide? Typically on curves like this. Too much speed. Now, if you have a passenger, well, here's the thing. You need to be not slowing it down, but you need to take corners easier. You need to brake sooner, and you need to accelerate slower because you have a passenger on it. It's as simple as that. It changes up the dynamics. First time you have a passenger on it, please take it easy. So right here, we're going to go a little bit wide. There's the little wide part. It's about the 3/4 of the turn. Went a little bit wide. And he's going to put his foot down. Now, that passenger has no clue, maybe freaking out a little bit. I don't know. The problem is the rider isn't freaking out. If I was the rider, I'd be freaking out saying to myself, oh, take this next one slow. But here's the thing. We have our buddy way over here. Now, are we trying to keep up? Because from this rider to this rider, it's pretty close, right? But from this rider to that rider, it's pretty far away. Now, if you had your Cardo Pack Talk bold, you can communicate with them. Okay? Links in the description. So we're going to go a little bit wide.
In the line promised.
Now, he's going to set up for this turn. You can see him just really do this. He's throwing the bike down. That's what I'm trying to exaggerate a little bit. He's throwing the bike down. Watch this. Threw that bike down. Lots of changes in the body positioning. Lots of changes in the bike ergonomics. D1 Clown, thank you so much for the donation. But we're going to go a little bit too fast in this corner. And we should know that's a sharp corner because we got chevrons. These are nice little indicators that you shouldn't be doing any crazy speeds. And then just take a quick look. Why do we have massive guardrails? Quite typically for cars, semis, or whatever, not to, crash. It's good indicators, guys. We have plenty and plenty and plenty of indicators that we shouldn't be going fast. So he's going a little too fast on this. He's going to putting his leg out, thinking that's going to help. We're not Flintstones. And as soon as he touches, they're going to start going down. Now, you're going to rip your perineum on that one. She fell down, immediately smashed her face in the ground. Hopefully, they were wearing full face helmets, but typically, cruiser riders like this wear half helmets. Now, what do we do in this situation that we witness something? Now, we know with the motorcycle crash, we know possible spinal, possible concussion. Okay, cool. But we witnessed the mechanism of injury on this. We witnessed her fall down face first. We witnessed his leg fall down, big heavy bike in the middle of a corner, so road rash, impacts, possible broken bones. 2 patients, though. 2 patients. Can you handle 2 people severely injured? No, you can't. I can't. I have to triage at that point. I have to pick who's going to survive or not. Hopefully I can stabilize both. But, if both of them are critical, I can only pick one. So, do you have friends that are riding with you? Do you have your buddies? Do you have that Cardo where you can talk to the guy way up ahead and say, hey, these people crashed. Jeremy and Jillian, where did I come up with that? They crashed. So you tell them, hey, bring your rescue kit down here. I got mine. I'm going to take care of Jillian. You take care of Jeremy. And we're going to make it work. Now, if they're bleeding out anywhere, you have the kit to handle that. If there's a crazy amount of bleeding, you can use the 2 tourniquets that are in here. But you have plenty of resources in here, at least. Whew, I'm getting amped up. At least to know what to do because you have the rescue card with it. So you just take a quick look. Need to remain calm. Well, duh. Okay, well, I'll do that. Oh, call 911. I need to ensure my own safety. So I'm going to wear gear. I'm going to wear my PPE, look for hazards. And then, okay, bleeding is the biggest thing. So let's check out bleeding. And then you quickly assess the severity in the whole backside of the card. But they're going to crash. What do we do? The honking of the horn is not going to get anybody's attention. Look how far this other person is. Take a look. Let's go back just a little bit. Can't even see the person. We're honking the horn. This is why having that Bluetooth system is so important. I keep saying the Cardo Pack Dog Bold because it's the premium one and it has the longest distance. That's the one our crew locally uses. And we can reach wherever that person is, it's going to reach them. Around that mountain, it's going to reach them. The person's not 4 or 5 miles ahead. So you're good. But the honking of the horn is not going to do anything. Now this person's going to put his foot down. It's going to be a low side lost traction, high impact to the left side, possibly to the face. And you're going to have a massive amount of bleeding on that face if there was no full face helmet, possibly ripping parts of it off. All right. Very fun and lively discussion.
In the
Rider.
situation that they are unable to determine the distance and
Intersection.
testing
Side of the vehicle.
of this biker.
Side of the vehicle. Corner. Oh. Good job with the braking because he started to and they stopped. But when you see these sides of the vehicles, be very careful, okay? Hey, we got 9 new members. Become a member today by clicking that join button. So Country Explorer filming with a potato. Maybe a sweet potato. Like a yam. Going around, looks like the ground is terrible. Oh, we didn't even see that, did we? Were we looking? Did we look left, right, left? Did we do that? I don't think we did. I think he's pulling over to check his pantalones. I know some Spanish. Whew. So drivers on the right side is definitely not America. All right, so we're gonna go through here, and we're not even gonna look. At no point did we look, but I saw it in the frame. No, you see it in the frame. So he looked. Okay, maybe he did. Maybe the person ran a stop sign. E-Rock, you're blocking to see if I can see the stop sign. Very inappropriate. Very inappropriate. We're in class. Did that person have a stop sign? Probably. That's probably what that poll is. But we just assumed that was gonna happen. Let's not assume. Makes an ass out of you and me. Right? So he's checking for code brown. You know, a panic brown smells differently. Don't ask me how I know. All right. Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to Cardo for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I can talk to my kids on their Cardo Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk. Bold, slim, free-com, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you get a discount. Anyways, let's get back.
Rider visible on the recording managed to record this dangerous event.
Oh, no. Good swerve. Good swerve. Hey, that's a smart rider. Buddy Bond Butt. Hey, that was probably a crew member. Hey, everyone take a look. This is a crew member right here.
The mother of the rider
We just saw a wild crew member outriding everybody. This is rare. This is rare. Let's see what happens.
visible on the recording managed to record this dangerous event.
Okay, so now we have a dangerous animal coming out to attack our crew member. The crew member was able to swerve to the left using his red stage maneuvers and practice that he's been doing in the parking lot. Oh my God! Was able to make it around. Now we have a panicked bystander. Definitely not remaining calm. Definitely not doing anything they're supposed to be doing. But you know, after a moto crash, you have to remain calm. Maybe before the moto crash, you don't have to. That dude from nowhere, we're getting boxed in, buddy. Look ahead, look ahead, look ahead, look ahead, look ahead, look ahead. What do you have in your hand? You want a lollipop? You got a lollipop. I swear, watch, it's like laced. It's gonna give him diarrhea. See, how embarrassing would it be to crash right now while trying to give out lollipops? It's fun, but just understand you're taking a risk, right? Hey, and you know what? If this is my daughter, if you're watching this a couple years in the future, do not take candy from strangers. What the hell are you thinking? Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.